What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to draft in ESPN Fantasy Football. We're going to open our ESPN Fantasy app, and right here you will be seeing the name of your team. On my screen you can see drafting in one day, and this is because a draft has been scheduled. If you're looking to schedule your draft, you'll be having the schedule draft button right beside invite members. But if you want to change it, you'll need to go to your team, under my team, switch over to league by going to the top right corner where you have league, and then you're going to tap on League Manager Tools. And then here you have draft settings, and here you can schedule your draft and make some other settings. At the middle area here, you have draft time and date, and this is where you can schedule your draft or change the date. Now there are a few things to take note of if you'd like to draft on ESPN Football. It is important to print off your rankings or cheat sheets so you have something you look at that looks like what you want. Another tip to follow is when the draft starts, cross off each player who has been drafted so you know who remains when it's your pick. Another tip to follow is to put some players you want on queue. The queue button will be shown by the right side of the screen when other teams are picking. This acts as a safety net in case your clock runs out. Now when you're on the clock, you need to remain focused so you can make your picks without panicking. Remember, you don't need to be in a rush when you're on the clock. You can actually wait to the end of the clock before making your final pick, just to give you time to think about it. Make sure to keep your focus all the way until you make the last pick. Let us know if these tips were helpful, and thanks for watching.